Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to build Apache Maven 3.8 from its source code in Windows 10 command line using Apache Maven 3.8.7 and Java 11. Okay. So here you can see that I have already downloaded the Apache Maven 3.8.7 source code as a zip file from Apache Maven website. So I have provided the download link in the description of this video. So now I am going to extract the content here. So make sure that you have internet connection. So internet connection might be needed in order to download some jar files or artifacts. Okay, Maven artifacts. Okay, this is the directory structure of the source code file. So it contains on pom.xml file. So this is the parent pom. It contains several modules. Okay, modules, submodules. You can see a lot of dependencies. So dependency means these are the jar files required for compiling the Apache Maven. Okay, so these jars will be getting downloaded from the internet. Okay, so before we proceeding the build, let me show my Maven installation. So here you can see I already installed Apache Maven 3.8.7 and I have added the Apache Maven bin directory to the Windows path variable so that Maven and Java 11 commands are available in the Windows path. So Maven home is an environment variable I have created. You can create the environment variable as m2 underscore home also. Okay, Windows path variable. Yes, I added the Apache Maven to the Windows path variable, bin directory to the path variable, so that Maven and Java 11 command will be available here in Windows command line. Okay, now let us start to build the Apache Maven. Let me open in command prompt. Yes. Okay, so this is the command mvn clean install. That's it. So the install command will compile the Maven modules which are mentioned in the pom.xml and it will install in the local repository. Okay, you can see that compilation is started. So it will take only few minutes. So you may need internet connection in order to download the jar files. Yes. So you can see that totally in 55 seconds it get built. So make sure that you have a high speed internet connection so that jar files will be downloaded very fast. And here you can see that distribution files are getting created. You can see that Apache Maven 3.8.7 bin.zip and Apache Maven 3.8.7 bin.tar.gzip file. So binary distribution for Windows and Linux operating system are getting created and installed in local M2 repository. I mean local Maven repository it got installed. So you can either go to the repository and copy the zip file, or here in local folder Apache Maven target you can see that binary files are available for both Windows and Linux. So you can use these files also. So finally, we have built Apache Maven 3.8.7 for both Linux and Windows operating systems. So Apache Maven 3.8.7 build in Windows 10 operating system using Apache Maven 3.8.7 and JDK 11 is successful.